Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are doing Humble, Stumble, and Grumble.
Yep.
The Bumble Nums.
Yeah, do the Bumble Nums.
Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, easy. So we've got our paper in the landscape position.
Okay.
Yep, so it's this way, not that way. That's portrait, this is landscape because we need space for three characters here.
Yes.
Okay, so
Then
in
I
the middle, in the middle, we're drawing. Okay, just be careful not to go too big because we need the space. So we're drawing sort of a flattened circle shape, but we're splitting it. We're splitting the top one. So we're doing that like a bun shape. Yeah. And we're, we're leaving a little space there, a little gap there. And then we're going down here and we leave a little space for where legs are going to go. Like that. We'll leave another little space and we continue that up there. Okay, now we can just draw little thin spaghetti arms with a little circle at the end. They don't really have hands. And we do another one, little little rounded hand there.
They do. They do have some hands.
Yeah, the hands is just little rounded shapes. And now legs and just foot shapes. Foot shape. Mine is dancing. Let's see your bumble num. Your bumble num is a macho man. Okay.
Oh.
So now two circles and we add pupils into them and we make that black. We draw a little half moon shaped mouth, just like that. And there's space for the tongue in there. Two circles on the cheeks. And a belly line. You got that?
Yep.
Okay, that's that's a little bubble num. That's humble. So we're writing his name here.
Yes.
Okay, so Humble. Humble.
Yes.
Now we're doing stumble. So I'm going to the right, and he's more rounded. So he's almost completely round. And we leave a little gap at the top, but we try to create a circle with a gap on the side as well, like more of a perfect circle, and little gaps at the bottom for legs.
Then.
You were quick, you were quick. So this one has three little spikes coming out of his, like a pineapple. Just like three little.
Is it at the what?
That is he.
Probably. We might add an eyebrow.
Oh no, we must add eyebrows. Is this correct? We forgot the eyebrows, and it's just two little lines. Yep, that looks more like it. Okay, so now we're adding long arms for this one.
Because they can stretch.
They can stretch. Is this correct? They can stretch. The bumble nums. And little legs with feet shapes as well, because this is dancing as well. This one's dancing. Mm-hmm. Let's see. You've got that? Okay, now in the middle of the circle, we're drawing the little eye shapes with the little pupils in them. And can add the little eyebrows and a smaller half moon shape for the mouth and that belly line.
No cheek.
No cheeks. Yep. And this one's name is Stumble. Humble,
Dumble.
Stumble. And who's the last one?
Drumble.
Grumble. We're getting to Grumble. So Grumble is a more is an elongated kind of rounded shape. So what is he? He's a
Uh,
taller guy. He's the taller guy.
yeah.
So
They have same body as him, but
yeah. So this guy's shape just rotated. So instead of looking like a squashed circle, he's more of a squashed on the sides guy and a circle guy. So we're starting off a bit taller with him, and we're doing the middle line of his head. Ah, mine is close to the other guys. Hopefully I have space, and I'm leaving a little space there because he's also got hair. And I'm coming down the side here and down the side there, and I'm leaving space for arms. Coming down here, and I'm leaving space for legs and back up there. So it's kind of like an egg. Should have said egg shaped. And now two little growths. Instead of a triple growth, we have a double, but two doubles. So he's got four little tufts of hair. It looks like it's meant to be the hair. Okay. So now throwing little arms with a fist, round fist, and more little arms in the round fist. I know my hand is going, yeah, because I didn't have the space. I had to put this arm there. And the legs with the feet shapes. Here we go. Almost there. So now he's got a unibrow. Do you know what a unibrow is? It's one eyebrow.
that is just.
It's one eyebrow going right across.
I never had a word.
You never heard of the unibrow?
Never.
Someday you'll come across somebody who has a unibrow. And then you'll remember. And then you'll think like, oh. And he's got not the half moon shaped mouth. He's got the this more smiley sausage shaped mouth. Okay, you got that? And the circles in the cheeks and the belly line. Yep.
And you forgot the lip.
And I forgot the lips.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't, my mark is too thick to add the lips right now.
Well, somehow I managed it.
Oh, you managed it. You got lips in there. Wow, I thought my mark is gonna be too thick. So yeah, I'm not gonna add lips on mine because space. Okay, and we're adding names. This one is Grumble.
Yeah.
So that's Humble, Stumble, and Grumble, the Bumble Nums.
Yep. First you might say the middle, then the left, then right.
Oh, so it's Humble, Grumble, and Stumble.
Yes.
Oh, so that's the order. Humble, Grumble, and Stumble, the Bumble Nums. Time for color, easy.
Yep.
So Humble is purple with lighter purple. Grumble is turquoise with a lighter shade of turquoise in there. And Stumble is orange with a lighter orange in there. But you know what? I think we can actually. Okay, no, I'm gonna leave it. But just remember that this belly line must be lighter color, but the legs is the solid turquoise we're gonna use on him, and the purple on him, orange on him.
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep. I'm done out with you.
Orange. And there we have it, everybody. That's the Bumble Nums. I always get confused with the name.
Yeah.
So, how many of the viewers do you think knows about these guys? Because we only came across them recently, eh? We only found out about them like what, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? Or at least I did.
Except for me.
You know them longer.
Yes.
Okay, so you've been watching the Bumble Num, so they are always cooking.
Yes.
Um,
Finding always secret ingredients.
all the
When,
secret,
when I was little.
finding all the secret
Why-
ingredients.
What at the 2017.
Oh, so is it that long ago? 2017.
Yes.
Okay. So if you remember the Bumble Nums, um, please comment what your favorite recipe was because they're always making some kind of dish. Right? So always making food. Like I like the avocado toast one,
Well, my favorite is the upside down cake.
the upside down cake. Okay, everybody, that's the Bumble Nums.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Free sided from Samosa.